Look at this thing, it's so fast, it's just mirrors can't even stay on there. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a crazy weekend. So if you've never heard of Carlisle, it's a huge fairgrounds that hold car shows and stuff like that. And I went there the past weekend. I was having a great time until I got a phone call from a buddy saying that my car got hit by a runaway canopy. There's a lot going on still, trying to figure out what to do. If you're putting a canopy up at a car event, be sure to tie the thing down. If it's kind of rocky, make sure you get the weights or put something heavy on it. It's very simple, but some people just don't understand. It hit from my tail light all the way down to my headlight. It was just a bad, like, heartbreaking thing. I did all the work to my car to get it ready, and then just careless people just have to ruin that for you. But I didn't let it ruin my weekend. Had a great time with some great people. I hope all y'all are doing well, hanging in there in this crazy world in a crazy time. Oh, would you look at that? Mirror just decided not to work today. I don't know what's up with these. I think it's because I didn't put Loctite on it. They like to spin off, just like that one did. So if you see it moving around, it's whatever, we'll get it fixed up. I get asked this question a lot. What kind of exhaust do I recommend? I definitely go with this Alpha T Yoshi. I don't know, sometimes I love it, and other times I just want like a straight pipe just sticking out. I'm not too sure, trying to do a lot of research because I want to do catless headers, so I don't want it to be like insanely loud. So it might be just the perfect balance once you get the Alpha T with the catless Black Widow headers. You gotta shut it down. Car insurance is too good. So I'm thinking about doing a Q&A on one of my next videos. So if you guys got any questions, be sure to comment them down below, and I will get to them in the next video. Gotta give them the nod, you know what I mean? So I've had this bike for, I think, close to a year. I put 5,600 miles on it. And this bike, it's just every time I ride it, I get more and more comfortable. And the bike just delivers in every aspect. And I love it so much. You know, you buy something, you kind of just get, you know, I wish I would have got this, I wish I would have got that. I bought a lot of vehicles, whether it's bikes or cars. You kind of just get burnt out, you know, of course, after a year or whatever the case may be. And this doesn't do that for me. I just want to do more and more and more and drive it more and more and more. I mean, of course, something would be nice with a little bit of a windshield, a little bit of fairings, but I wouldn't get rid of this for that. It's not that bad of an experience. So I've wanted to do this for a while. A build list on this bike. Things I want to do, things I haven't done. It always changes, so I always have to keep redoing it. Okay, so things I have done. Windshield mirror delete, bar and mirrors, exhaust, tune, cage. I gotta love the cage. I always forget about it. And then when I go pull it out the garage, I was like, oh, this thing's a little buckier than I remember. Oh, wait. There's a cage on it. Rear fender delete, that's really not a mod, that's just a must. You have to get rid of that thing on any bike. They're not good. Things I want to do, let's go motor wise. I want to do sprint filter, velocity stacks, headers, maybe a little straight pipe exhaust, and last mod for the motor, get this thing to shoot some flames. Now we got the motor taken care of. Visual mods, I definitely want to do the shorty levers. I want to wrap this thing either all one color or just an insane color. I'd like to powder coat the wheels down the road, maybe put a little bit of a stretch on it, lower it. Definitely I want to lower this thing a lot. Yeah, I don't really think there's a lot It seems like a lot, but it's really not. Maybe Brembo brakes down the road. I see my man Moto Lover 750, the Brembo Master and the brake lever and all that. I would like to do that, definitely. This thing's gonna be a monster once all those are done. Yeah, we're definitely gonna pass this guy here. I see a lot of people just not understanding how to pass. Like, you got a big truck like this, you kind of have to give him a little distance so you can see in front of you. Of course, he's just in the way in every way regardless. You just want to look, see there's nobody in front of him, check your surroundings, and shoot. Look at this thing, it's so fast, it's just, mirrors can't even stay on there. And then after you're done, you kind of keep checking behind you and hope to God there isn't no flashing lights coming up behind you that are blue and red. Sadly, I think here's a good time to end the video. If you guys liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.